What if your phone could be more than just a scroll machine? Imagine it as your gateway to income streams, automating processes and scaling your efforts, all with a simple set of tools. Today, we'll show you how. Welcome back to the CashWave Strategy Vault. This is video 13, and it's all about tools in action. Toolkit 6 showed you the programs to get started. Now we break down the exact tools that amplify results and make creating and scaling your income possible.
By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable system for running affiliate side hustles and launching faceless YouTube content using tools you already have or can grab today. It all starts here. Success in affiliate marketing isn't just about what you do, it's about how efficiently you can do it. That's where the right mobile tools come in. Here's the stack Craig and CashWave subscribers swear by: 1. CapCut Mobile. First on the list is CapCut, a free video editing app that turns your phone into a complete editing suite. Whether you're creating TikToks for side hustle programs like Write App Reviews or refining quick shorts for YouTube, CapCut makes it simple. With features like auto captions, cuts, and transitions, even total beginners can create scroll-stopping content. 2. Canva Mobile. Next is Canva Mobile. From designing thumbnails to gig banners for Fiverr, Canva adds a clean, professional polish to your projects. And it's all drag-and-drop simplicity. If you've got 5 minutes and a phone, Canva can make your projects look like you've spent hours. 3. Repurpose.io. Then there's Repurpose.io. This is Craig's favorite time saver, and for good reason. Repurpose takes one piece of content you create, like a TikTok or Reel, and distributes it across platforms automatically. Imagine posting once and letting tools like this handle the rest. That's how you maximize reach with minimal effort. 4. TubeMagic. Finally, there's TubeMagic, the mobile-first scriptwriter for faceless video creators. It helps you outline videos in minutes, focusing on high-retention scripting without the overwhelm. This is how Craig scripts his shorts quickly and consistently on the go, leaving more time to refine and scale. As you grow your income streams and build confidence, you might wonder how to take your mobile-first efforts to the next level. That's where Tube Mastery comes in. Tube Mastery, created by Matt Parr, is a complete system for building faceless YouTube channels. It takes what you start on mobile and transforms it into a scalable content income machine. For those ready to invest in long-term growth, Tube Mastery is the logical next step. It's the same path many of Craig's subscribers follow when scaling from side hustles to sustainable income.
Here's how I went from running gigs with just my phone to building a full-fledged system. I didn't need expensive cameras or hours of free time. I started with simple tools and made them work for me. CapCut. I'd film quick reviews for Write App Reviews or demo gigs for Fiverr, then trim, edit, and polish them up in CapCut. My first short, it wasn't fancy, but it made $11 in commissions. Canva. I used Canva to design my first Fiverr gig banner. It looked legit, so people clicked. That $5 order turned into $50, then $500. Repurpose.io. Once I started making TikToks, Repurpose was an easy addition. It posted my content to IG Reels and YT Shorts automatically, giving me 3 times the reach without 3 times the effort. TubeMagic. My big step forward was TubeMagic. I'd always struggled with scripting, but it changed that. Suddenly, I could create engaging, faceless YouTube content without the guesswork. What I learned is this: as long as you have the tools and take consistent action, you will see results. I started with nothing but my phone. If I can do this, so can you.
Craig's story is inspiring, but he's not the only one turning tools into income. Here's what our subscribers are saying. Nina R. is Seattle, Washington. I started with CapCut and Canva to complete Fiverr gigs. Now I'm scripting with TubeMagic for my own channel and auto-scheduling shorts with Repurpose. I'm earning every day. Troy B., Orlando, Florida. I began with live chat jobs, but quickly added Canva and TubeMagic to build a side channel. Now my mobile content is earning while I sleep. CashWave's tools made it real. Matt Parr, creator of Tube Mastery. What I admire about Craig and the CashWave community is their drive to build. Tools like CapCut or Canva help them start strong. And when they're ready, Tube Mastery is there to take them further. It's been incredible to work with such committed creators. Which tool are you most excited to try? Or if you're already using one, what's working in your workflow? Drop it in the comments. Craig reads every one. Toolkit 6 is always free. Inside, you'll find Craig's mobile video checklist, design swipe pack, and scripting starter guide. The bonuses and upgrades you'll find below for tools like TubeMagic and programs like TubeMastery are available directly through the creators, but only through our affiliate links. Some offers may be time sensitive. If you're serious about earning from your phone or scaling to a full YouTube channel, now's the time to start.
In the next video, we jump into Toolkit 7, Craig's $10,000 partner stack. This is the system behind our biggest commissions, and it's where beginner efforts transform into massive rewards. Don't miss it.